How to play Osu with mouse and keyboard. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this tutorial. It is actually pretty simple to play Osu with a mouse and keyboard. In order to do so, firstly you need to get yourself your Osu application. If you don't have an account, make sure that you have one. For that, you can easily visit the Osu website and click on the download button. Once it is installed, you will have to sign in into an account. To sign in, you need to enter your username and your password. Then tap on Sign In. To play on the Osu, you have to tap on the big button of the Osu, then it will display all of these options. To begin your play, just tap on the Play option. Select a game mode. If you want to play on solo, tap on Solo, or you can even multiplayer it by tapping on Multi. Now once you have selected your game mode, it's time to select a song that you want to play along. Choose a song that you want to play from the list and varieties of option. Now, if you have selected the sliders one, you just have to aim your mouse cursor over the circle, sliders and spinners that appears on the screen. And yes, it is that simple. Just make sure that your mouse is connected properly. In case of keyboard, by default, the keys that you must use is Z and X, which are used to hit circles and activate sliders or spinners. You can even customize these keys in the settings menu if you prefer. Wasn't it simple? You just have to make sure that the mouse and keyboard that you are using is compatible with your Osu. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.